Hi, I'm Matt with Digital Trends, and this is the Toshiba Satellite P855. Now this is a mainstream 15.6-inch laptop that's built to appeal to just about everybody. Prices start at $599, but they go up to as much as $1,300, and the performance varies just as much. Let's see if the P855 can really be everything to everyone. This laptop is one of the more attractive mainstream laptops that we recently tested at Digital Trends. It benefits from the use of aluminum panels that are textured and not smooth. We also like Toshiba's use of off-color material along the sides, which provides a retro two-tone look not commonly found on today's sleek PCs. Our review unit, which is priced as configured at about $900, came with an Intel Core i7 3610QM processor. This quad-core component stomped our processor benchmarks and supported the laptop in our general performance benchmarks. Our review unit did not have the optional NVIDIA GT 630M graphics solution, however, so 3D performance was weak. Also weak is the battery. This laptop offers less than 5 hours of light use without a power cord. Toshiba's P855 is a good choice for users who want a fast mainstream laptop, which isn't terribly bulky, but the more expensive variants aren't priced well against similar products. We think the best value is the basic model. It downgrades to a dual-core processor, but retains all of the P855's other advantages.